Namaskar students, we have just started with the revision of our class 12th history, and from the starting we are taking the first chapter, and the name of the chapter is Glorious Past of the Bharat, and these are the sources through which we got the information about the Bharat or India that they can be broadly divided into two parts, your literary and archaeological sources. And when it comes to literary sources can further be divided into religious and secular and Vanshavalis, and they can also be clubbed into religious and non-religious. When it comes to religious literature, they are Brahmana literature, Buddhist literature, and Jain literature. And Brahmana literature can be your Vedic literature, your Adankyas, your Smritis, your Shrutis, and Buddhist literature is uh, Anguta Nikaya, your Tripitakas, your Dipavamsha, Mahavamsha, and other things. Then when it comes to Jain literature, there's Agamas, Kalpasutra, Bhagavati, and Jain literature is basically written in Prakritic, while Buddhist literature is in Pali language. And the second literature is your historical work. Kalan Raj Tarangini and Chanakya Sarthashastra is famous. Apart from this, Bana Bhatta's book Harsh Charitra and Hamir Mahakavya Maha Nyaya Chand Suri is famous. And when it comes to pure literary sources, it is Mudra Rakshasa of Vishaka Dutt, Rachikatakam of Shuddharak, Ashtadhyayi of Panini, these are the famous works, and Panchtatra of Vishnu Vishnu Sharma. And regional literature, Sangam and Prithviraj Raso, they are famous. Foreign accounts can be divided into Greek, Indica of Megasthenes, Ptolemy, Geography, Fahim, Chandragupta II, and Yuki. In Tibet, Taranath is famous, and Kangur. While in Arab, it is Ibn Battuta and Al-Biruni. Vanshwar is also an important source of history. And second part of this source of history is archaeological sources. They talks about the inscriptions, coins, monuments, buildings, sculptures, rock paintings. Inscription can be your Hathi Gumfa, Nasik, Junagadh, Bhitri Gaon, Prayag, Nanaghat. Coins is famous of Samudragupta and Kushan coins are famous. Coins tells you about these things. Monuments and buildings, Bhitri Gaon temple and the Deoghar temple, one of the ancient temple of India. Sculpture painting in Rajasthan, North Rajasthan, Shekhawati and Bhimbetka of Madhya Pradesh, UNESCO site is famous. These are three persons, all called Voltaire and Max Muller. They are important from the exam point of view. And these are the states where the Indian culture has been propagated: Java, Sumaya, Malaya, and Malaysia, Australia, Borneo, Philippines. Actually, I was just talking about the second part of this chapter. First is your sources, and second is your propagation of Indian culture outside the world, outside India. Then Russia, Mongolia, North China, Manchuria, West Hind. These are the things. These are the places where the Indian culture has been propagated. Then naval power in ancient India. How can they be traced? They can be traced by these ports. The bold Rajpura Malwan, from where we had just arrived from this navy power. Mahendra and Sangmitra, the daughter of Ashoka, went from these ports to Sri Lanka, so it can be easily said the naval power was very developed in the ancient period. Prehistoric age can be clubbed or divided into three parts: Paleo, where it's large and thick stones; Meso, refined stones; Neolithic, agriculture has been developed. Then these are the prehistoric art. Famous is your UNESCO heritage site, Bhimbetka Caves. Now let us talk about the achievements. 1856 railway track Lahore to Karachi. Cunningham, John Marshall were the officers of ASI. R.D. Banerjee and the Ramsani, Indian historians, who just excavated the site. Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization or Saraswati Civilization, one and the same thing, एक ही बात है. सिंधु आर्किटेक्चर देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट है टाउन प्लानिंग. ग्रिड पैटर्न इंपॉर्टेंट है, बात कर ली है. ठीक है. जिप्सम का यूज हुआ है. वाटर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम प्रॉपर है. ग्रेड बात है. ग्रेड ग्रैंडरी है. ग्रेड रिजर्व स्टेडियम है धोलावीरा में. प्लग्ड फील्ड का विशेष कालीबंगा, ब्लैक बेंगल्स. ग्रेक डॉकयार्ड है. ग्रेक सी पोर्ट है. आर्ट आर्किटेक्चर में नंबर वन है. डांसिंग गर्ल मिली है, अर्थन पॉट मिला है, और ये एक पंडित की मिली है मूर्ति जो स्टेलाटाइट की बनी हुई है, स्टेलाटाइट की बनी हुई है। और उसके अलावा पशुपति शिव टेम्पल मिला है, मंदिर के कोई अवशेष मिले नहीं है, नो एविडेंसेस। सिंधु सरस्वती से स्क्रिप्ट देखें तो लोगो स्लोपी स्लेबिक और पिक्टोरियल है, कोई लैंग्वेज का डेवलपमेंट नहीं है। इकोनॉमिक अचीवमेंट देखें तो एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, सिविलाइजेशन, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री इंडस्ट्रीज एंड इंटरनल ट्रेड पर ध्यान दिया गया है। एग्रीकल्चर में ये चीज़ें बार्ले, पीस, पल्स। इंडस्ट्री देखें अपन तो ये सारी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, देख लेना, यूटेंसिल्स की है, मिरर, नाइफ, एलिफेंट्स, बुल, राइनासोर्स, कॉटन क्लोथ्स भी मिला है। ट्रेड कॉमर्स दो तरह का, इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल है। गणेश्वर से भी फाउंड एविडेंसेस ऑफ आयरन फ्रॉम आयरन एंड ईरान एंड अफगानिस्तान। मेसोपोटामिया की भी सील्स मिली है। सोशल लाइफ, फीमेल फिगर से कहते हैं भाई फीमेल एम्पावरमेंट हो सकता है। क्लास रूलर थी, पर्सनल थी, जनरल थी और वर्कर थी। म्यूजिक भी था, बीट्स भी बनाते थे खेलने के लिए। रिलीजियस लाइफ, एंशियंट रिलीजन था। पशुपति की पूजा, ट्री की पूजा, एनिमल वर्शिप की सबके चांस, सबके एविडेंसेस मिले हैं। नो एविडेंस ऑफ टेम्पल। योगा, योगा के भी एविडेंसेस मिले हैं यहाँ से।